Today's topic for discussion is why we don't get enough sale as compared to other sellers. Number 1. Keyword optimization. Maybe you're listing keywords not well optimized. Number 2. Product marketing. Much advertise your product. Number 3. Marketplace competition. Number 4. Business reports. Do check your session once. Session refers that how much audience see your product at a time. Go your Seller Central. Then click on Report. Then go in Business Report. A new dashboard will open. Here you will find options to analysis your products by date or by ASIN. You can view as you want to. I am going to click Sale and Traffic. From by date. Here you will find a chart which show your product performance insights. Number 5. Regional visibility. I already made a video on this topic. If you find it informative, then share it with others.